With the height of summer quickly approaching, so does tire blowout season, as they call it. During the summer on a hot and sunny day, the pavement can get up to 140 degrees. You know what you can do on pavement that hot? No, we're not talking about frying eggs on pavement because, well, we tried it here and it didn't work in our shop. Now, hot pavement can push an old, underinflated tire to the point of bursting. Yes, that's right, your car doesn't need anything to puncture the tire to make it blow out when you're driving in the heat with poor, neglected tires. So as things begin to heat up, make sure you've checked your tires and get them filled up properly for your safety on the road.